In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice in Square 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to save your work so your invoice is ready to share with your customer. Start by heading to your Square dashboard in a web browser. Once you're in, look for the main navigation on the left. This is where you'll find everything related to orders and billing. Hover over or expand the menu if needed, then highlight orders and payments and select invoices. This takes you to the central place where all your invoices live and where you can create a new one. Next, choose Create Invoice. The first thing to set is the customer. Add an existing customer from your directory or create a new one by entering their details. Make sure the email and business name are accurate, since those appear on what the customer receives and are used for delivery. Give your invoice a clear, specific title. Instead of something generic, use wording that helps both you and your customer identify it at a glance, like the project name or the service period. Then add the service date by selecting the appropriate day on the calendar. This is helpful for your records and clarifies when the work was performed or the product was delivered. In the message field, write a short, friendly note summarizing what the invoice covers. Keep it concise and professional so your customer knows exactly what to expect. Now add your line items. For each product or service, enter a description, quantity, and price. If you need to adjust taxes or apply a discount within the line item, do it here so totals calculate correctly. Be as specific as possible on descriptions. Clarity here reduces questions later and speeds up payment. If you have supporting materials, attach them. This can include a proposal, a signed agreement, photos, or a completion report. Attaching documentation provides helpful context and can prevent back and forth emails. When everything looks filled out, scroll back to the top. Use Preview to see exactly what your customer will receive. This is a great moment to catch typos, verify totals, and confirm names and dates are correct. If you're not ready to finalize, choose Save as Draft. Drafts let you pause, share internally for review, and return later to finish. If everything is set, click Save to store your completed invoice so it's ready in your invoices list. That's it. Your invoice is created and organized within Square, ready for next steps whenever you are.